We're at a park. We're at a park. There's so many children. Okay, you lead the way. I'm so nervous. I've never public suited with this. What? No. You didn't let me finish. I never public suited in front of this many children with parents. And I'm very scared because I don't want to get in trouble.
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
You're intimidating in front of kids.
I'm not intimidated by college kids. It's children, overprotective parents. That's what I'm nervous about.
Photo with the big monkey.
With the monkey? Sure. Okay, I'll take a picture with the monkey. Walk shot. Glamour shot. Glamour shot. The amount of children. I'm so glad. Oh, I was Oh, sorry. You can't go in there. No dogs allowed.
We are all dragons.
I was just like, dragons.
We're dragons, it's okay. Oh god, we're getting straight up with everyone. It's to be expected though. Sand. Just sand. Oh god. Just stop filming for a second. Got to high five a little kid, that was so sweet. Let me put on my glove again. Everyone. Hmm?
Oh,
You want to hold it?
I don't know.
You don't know if you want
I don't know. If you ever want to break, I can hold the camera.
Okay.
I can breathe.
Wait, I don't want to wait. Okay, ready? Glamour shot. No. Glamour shot. Glamour shot. Oh gosh. Everyone is staring. Oh my god.
Guys, I got fat nuts.
What?
I got fat nuts.
I got that on film. They're comfy. Yeah. Oh, don't fall.
Here you
go. Okay. Oh, I thought you fell. Oh god, it's shaking. Careful. Don't break that. We're good. Oh my gosh.
in full monkey mode right now?
Yes, monkey.
Totally did not get that off film. Look, that's a monkey. Pretty little monkey sculpture. I'm gonna go with.
I stole the camera. Fuzzy.
What is it, costume?
We're at a big monkey. This place is cool. Hi, bird.
Alright, let's go together, okay? You go first, okay? I'll meet you down there. Whee! Okay.
Wait, it just goes
I'll
down.
try to do with these curls.
It just goes down.
Okay, I'm okay.
Why does it grab me? You're going down with the down.
Eclipse, I should say.
Huh?
Eclipse, I should say.
Came to a new park. There's lots of children. Oh my gosh, the lighting looks gorgeous on you guys. Oh my gosh. So pretty.
I want a photo on this log.
You want a photo on the log? Okay, we'll do a photo on the log. Lighting looks gorgeous.
Take a photo, please.
Just you and C, what do you want?
Furry on a log, furry on a log, furry on a log. Model walk. Strike a pose. Strike a pose. No. Bird, I was talking to Luna. Aww.
Okay. Okay.